Alright, Miss Tuskine. So here it is. Here's the setup. Took that off this thing right here. Hopefully you can see that well. Was in there, and you can tell it's pretty destroyed. I don't know what it does, but I mean, the metal on these things looks a little gummed up, but it doesn't look like that was the cause of the failure. Before I took everything off, I mean, you could only turn the wheel, 180 degrees and it would get stuck. But, with all of this off, I can turn the rudder all the way from the left to the right. So that's all the way. I mean, I went on and looked at the rudder, and it's going all the way. So, anyways, for what that is worth, you just got the adjustment thing here. But yeah, I mean, this thing was stuck in there somehow, and maybe it just goes like that. I'll have to try to figure out how that thing fits in there.